MLA Barim ke Seng Kongres Zenith Sangma Jingpyniasoh biang ke Seng Kongres Hasilong. Daga pau bagarai jung kadai penilai persya ke jing mamsap jang ke sorkar pedeng bat ke sorkar jela. Badus ngo baga kongres kadai ke yeng jung La pedang buram yu diginong yalam kibah Khie kentup yau in charge ka AICC na Meghalaya Chela Kumar, MP Ketura Sdang Sangma, Presiden ke MPCC ba Vincent H Pala bat kibai kinong yalam. Zenith Sangma ulong ba shimlabo kendon AA Jingpyniasoh biang baru pensyai ba kwa ban kenen AA syapang men jung Dr. Mukul M Sangma. Chela Kumar ula pensyai ru ke Kongres Kamdan Jingtu Satya ban kendria Presiden ke MPCC bamenta ba Vincent H Pala da ke bayero ya ke jing trish tom jung
Well, when I was speaking in the meeting, when I was joining and I was welcomed by the Congress leadership, I spoke quite a number of points, so I think you have already captured. But however, I once again want to share with you that as I had said, with sound mind and soul, I have consciously decided to rejoin in this whole family, that is the Grand Old Party, which is the Indian National Congress. The rejoining of me into this Grand Old Party is that the prevailing situation across the state of Meghalaya and the country as well, the ruling dispensation, be it in the state of Meghalaya or at the center, they have been destroying the country. In the state of Meghalaya, we can see the jungle raj, rampant corruption from all fronts, not only in one department, in all social sectors, in MSCL, the electricity board, education, health sector, in every departments, because of the corruption. This present government is destroying the state. So, therefore, I have decided that as I have been working closely with the Congress Party for more than 20 years, 2 decades, it's a long period of time, I once again felt that this is my own family. And by being in this platform, it will be more appropriate and conducive for me to fight against this corrupt government and rescue the people. Therefore, I have consciously decided to rejoin in the Indian National Congress Party.
Mr. Zenith Sangma to the Congress Party. He was the State Youth Congress President, MLA, Minister, Secretary All India Congress Committee, and he served in many positions in the Congress Party. But in between, due to some reason, he left Congress for a short period of time, and now he realized at the larger interest of the nation and to keep the secular principle of the nation, only Congress Party can do better. Congress Party is the only political party in this country that will uphold the constitution of the nation. So I welcome him the wholehearted All India Congress Committee President Sri Mallikarjuna Kharge has accepted his admission in the Congress party.
I was very, very passionate with Congress party. And throughout my life, since I was a very young child, 12, 13 years, I was very active activist in politics. I was following my senior leaders. So since then, I had been part and parcel of the Congress party, internally and externally. So I was very passionate with the Congress party, and I personally like Congress party. But having said this, for certain obvious reason, I had to be away from Congress party for some time. In those periods, I was of course regretting, thinking that whether I have been doing some injustice. So now I have decided that, as I have said already, Congress would be the better platform, as I was doing the same previously also, to serve the people of the state. What will be my role? I don't want to speak at this juncture because I have just rejoined. And as I have said, I am a true soldier of the party, and whatever the leadership assigned to me will be carried out heart and soul. So I don't know what kind of assignment will be given to me, and at this juncture I am not authorized to speak all the plans and programs of the party, about the strategies that will be taken up by the party. So as and when time comes, you will get to know what are the strategies that we are taking on. My brother means you are mentioning Dr. Mukul Sharma, right? He is a very tall leader, having long innings in politics, having lots of knowledge, wisdom, wealth of experience, as all of us know. So what he is thinking, what kind of thinking process is taking place in his mind, so these are best known to him only. So I request you to better ask him, and I'm not the authorized person to tell about him. So when the time comes, he may take any decision, that is up to him. So I don't want to dwell on this, and I request you better ask the same question to him.
I express my gratitude to our leader, Dr. H. Kumar, who is in charge of Meghalaya, and also in charge of Joint Secretary, Advocate Matthew, who have joined us today for induction of Zenith Sangma, who was with us and has gone for some time. You have heard his speech, then he's come back with us. Also our new members, Cluster CM, who have joined us. He has been always with us, but today is a registration for him. Also our new members, we have Lionel Nongklao, who was a candidate in the MDC, and now he has joined us. Their sole intention of joining us that to fight against communal forces, we need to join together, we need to work together. Like the in charge has said, in a Congress, we always think party's interests are not top priority and our personal interests behind it. With that intention, I think many of us also are working together for the progress. Like I was to say that when the Congress is weak, our society is weak. Exactly what many speakers have said, that Congress is the only party who always defend, preserve, promote the secularism in India Sometimes it's good to be out of power, but whenever Congress is out of power, the damage has done in that short time, it takes time to repair. So it's high time that the people of Meghalaya, as well as the people of India, to realize that we should come back to the Congress